I can.
Okay, mate. So right now, yeah, we're going to do Afrikaans spelling test.
In it.
Okay, so
It's
Aaron,
so easy.
you're gonna be giving the word. Hey, shit.
Man. Come look at this. Come look at this.
Whoa!
I say the word, see? When we say come look at this, random. Come look at this. Woo!
Anticipation.
Let's go, man. Jeez.
Ish, that's what happened when you have braces now.
First word.
You smell too much, you don't
First
know how to
word.
speak it.
First word.
Yeah, that's
Joseph Jordi.
Bijvoeglijke naamwoord.
Oh my word.
Oh my goodness.
You guys are supposed to know this.
I'm Afrikaans, I must.
Wait, what?
Bijvoeglijke naamwoord.
That's 2 words, by the way.
Yes, it is.
Naamwoord of woorden?
Is it?
Woord.
Woord.
Word.
Indonesia schrijven we lang joh.
Why are you always looking at mine, man?
Because like yours is just here, like
No, it's not. Now give me a pencil, man.
Scared to get this.
Arigato.
Arigato.
BY.
V.
Oh, you guys listen.
Yes!
Oh, BYVOEGL. Can you not?
Come, I spell it, man. BYVOEGLIKE.
N-I-I-M-E. Beach crazy. W-O-O-R-D.
Ja, boh.
Ga weg. Everybody's gonna even Afrikaans easy.
Jij, ik is Engels.
Give what a word, man.
Hakkies.
Hakkies. Low is in a 2 case or 1 case.
Brackets. It's in English. It's brackets.
Hakkies.
Oh, wait, you clouded my judgment.
You judgment my cloud now, innit?
The video is not gonna be funny, man, because we're all gonna get it right.
Come now.
Come now, Jay. It's a 2 case.
No, it's fine.
There's one.
H-I-K-I.
Hey! Chop rice!
What?
Chop rice!
What?
How many guys?
One guy.
Don't lie, bruh.
It's 1K.
I swear
It's
to my
1K.
life.
This is 2 cases,
It's
man.
1K.
Now, tell
Yes,
me,
no way,
the same thing.
I will look
No
there,
way.
That's right.
This is right.
Hij staat naar hakkies.
Wat? Brackets in Afrikaans.
Here is your translation.
Maar
Why did I say
Hij
Akis?
hiet een punt zo'n kwaad.
No.
I'm
Broken
Afrikaans,
eye.
guys. I will know this stuff.
I'm Engels.
I'm both.
You actually didn't know to do 2 cases, to be honest.
Wie is jou? That's why ons is a 2 case or 1 case.
Oh well. Oh wait, what you doing?
What you doing?
Oh
Keep that
man,
in the
some
video.
technical difficulties.
Keep that in the video, man.
Technical
That's
difficulties.
a catch, man.
I know how to do with my feet.
Let the light fell over.
Number 3.
Voornaamwoord.
Huh? Voornaam.
Everything one word. Ah.
You
Everything one
can't
word.
tell.
Yes.
Say, why do you say?
Oh, can't I say?
Yes,
No.
you can.
You can't say.
The English gaat is nice handwriting.
No, I don't.
Wait till you find this word.
Come on, say that.
V-O-O-R-N-W-W-R.
Hey, stop rice, stop rice.
Double-O.
Stop rice.
Nah, give him yourself. That's stuff.
Yo, way down the ground. Somewhere down the ground.
No, why telling me to
The baby is
No motion.
Voorzitsel.
Hey,
It's
don't.
proposition
You
in
give-
English.
That doesn't help. Say the word again.
Voorzitsel.
For what?
Sixels.
Yeah.
Sixels or sitsels?
Sitsels.
Sitsels.
Not like that.
Give her the color, man.
Say it again.
Sitsels.
Give that color.
Dit, I didn't say that.
I can't hear like Don't look at me.
Why?
For what now?
Voorzitsels.
Sitsels.
Nah, it's alright. Give that thing
Yes.
again, Aya.
This is
Oh, wait. There's
Don't look at me. Guys, remember, I'm English. Yo, is it now I or E? Yo, sitsels. Yo.
you will see what fuck the ad.
Ooh, father.
Scared to get attached.
Let me
If
see.
give her like that.
Yo, I'm wrong and you're supposed to be
And you me.
Yo, I'm wrong.
B-O-O-R-S-E-T-S-E-L-S.
I knew this was supposed to be halfway toch. Life, guys, life.
She's giving Afrikaans like the work we do in Afrikaans.
Exactly. I do English. We don't do this. My words is in
Say you
English,
do Afrikaans on the school.
but it's not the same.
Come now, man.
Kom nou.
Voorspel.
Huh?
Voorspel.
Easy.
Wat voor speel?
Like I'm playing at the front of my door. Like that.
Please tell me it's not 2 words.
Yo, weet niet.
That's not.
Look here.
I know, man, but I did like
Force.
Technology.
Speel.
for 6.
Are you in Afrikaans
Not,
class now?
not play.
But you're
Like,
writing technology in
Oh my
English.
God.
That's crazy. You're not supposed to be technology.
Technology.
Alright, everything.
okay.
Come now.
So it's VRRSPEL.
That's that. You said
So,
for
so you
spell.
said for
That's
spell.
for spell.
Ah,
That's for
for
spell.
spell.
That's for
For
spell.
spell. Ah,
I'm making myself
Oh,
right
dat is
here.
right, man, bro. She said for speel.
Yo.
Wait,
She's giving points away.
Yo, skermunkel.
Maar Windows.
Yo, koffel.
That didn't say yeah when I asked speelde voor jou. Is it in English?
Voor spell.
Come now.
Play front. Huh?
tegenwoordig.
Ian woorden dat het.
Wat tegenwoordig het?
Yes, present tense English.
Hoe nou die spellen?
Hij speelt dit.
Yo.
Stop looking at my stuff, Aaron, please.
I write on its item.
I said it's present tense. TEENWOORDIGE space T.
Die white.
Yours is better than this, bruh. Yo.
Why is she
Hello, I'm not Afrikaans.
The letters are in English also.
Look at my handwriting.
Frenchies.
Huh?
Frenchies.
Prince is easy.
No prinsjes, prinkies. See it? See it dan?
Hello, buddy.
Prinkjes. Wat een kan je nog?
Ja.
Yeah, bro.
Ja.
Don't lie.
Die zeg je?
Don't lie.
Die bij de child.
Spell it.
Wat spelen?
PRENT child.
Yeah, I did, I'm right. Now look here. B-R-E-N-T. Yo.
I don't see
Yo.
anything.
Hey. That's what I wrote. Yeah. No,
don't see anything.
I don't care. I wrote it.
Prinkjes.
Yo. I hate prinkies als kreeg.
Auwee. Oh. Auwee, I told you Louis was het zo, kan
Come
je?
on, it look.
I told you Louis was het zo.
WhatsApp is next.
Oh my word, it's so easy.
I don't know this for boodschap. It's a boodschap of boodschap.
Boodschap.
Yo. Wat is boodschap?
Ik ook aan die spiali. Oh, why is your leg on my leg? That's what I
WhatsApp.
Yo,
POOBSKIP.
What?
Is right.
Moet geskappen.
Boodschap.
Begripstoets.
Moet
Yo, easy.
Begrip. Zeg het
The
again.
way how she said.
No.
Begrip toets.
Begriptoets.
Oh, I told you she
Ik
said.
bedoel, hij zei begripstoets.
Dit bedoel.
I'm gonna leave it so.
Wat is begripstoets?
Sorry, als je begrip doet, zie. Als je het begrip doet.
Okay. PEGRIPS.
Als je is. Als je is.
Je hebt een space zoals het is. De Ize is. I know
Oh,
it.
de is en is, mijn broer.
Is
Is en is.
It's comprehension in English meaning.
Het is
Begrip toets. Ik bedoel iets like begrip
Jij
toets.
keep your mouth.
Die mensen
Next
begrip.
one.
Jij, hij is verkeerd.
Dit lief.
Next
Ik bedoel,
one.
they don't know Afrikaans.
The alphabet.
Ja, ik weet niet om jouw alfabet te schrijven.
Yo, nou dat is zo
Oh,
ugly.
nou ga ik boemelijk.
Dit? Hij
Niet terwijl
lekker.
je...
Ah, is een ei, is een ei, is een ei.
Ah.
Is een alfabet English.
Je weer hint. Spell it.
Alfabet.
I don't even speak at this point, bruh. Like I just give up.
Maar is een ei.
Listen,
Nee,
man.
maar is een ei.
Nah, you cheating. You look by me, bro.
I
I-L-F-I-B-E-T.
You
didn't.
look by me,
I
bro.
didn't.
Yo, if it's on camera, yo.
Wait. So when I told some here, no, is not the is a ei. I told him that.
Okay, though.
Maar je alfabet is een
Give hard
English
ones,
word.
man. Give hard ones.
Oh, give that.
My bro comes in
Stelen
the
ze jou zo. Stelen ze jou zo.
Blokje Rijssel.
Oeh. Yes. Yes, come on.
What now?
My phone.
What now?
Die schoon naar je.
Where is it? You throw it there in.
Go, guys. You know what?
What's the word?
Blokjes. Kijk je blokje rijssel of blokjes rijssel?
Blokjes Rijssel.
Blokjes rijssel.
It's, crossword puzzle.
I actually never heard that word in my life.
In Afrikaans.
Rijssels.
Als die antwoord.
Yes. En yes.
Blokje rijssels.
Not Rijssel, Rijssel.
Is it
Oh.
Rijssel or Rijssel?
I need make this out the.
Dat is verkeerd, Tino. Dat is recht.
I don't know if it's a freaking.
Is it just
I
say
don't know if it's a Y or a I or a I.
Is double AI. Double AI.
So it's rij like this.
I feel like it's or I
Write it down.
no.
It's double
Maybe
AI.
help you
It's
in
double
English,
AI.
but it's
It's
right.
double AI.
You guys,
Rijssel.
listen,
Yeah.
you guys said
Like this.
hard stuff. No, so I'm giving you hard stuff.
Yo, that's quite.
I'm gonna
She
spell it.
am right, say.
B-L-O-K-I-E-S-O-I-I-S-E-L.
Oh,
Stay together. That's you hear her like that. Come on.
We are a
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love.
You're the only one I need. You're the only one I see.
Come on,
Oh, baby, it's you. You're
Yo.
the only one I
why is it so easy, Aaron?
Because like
Because you can't say the other one.
Was it not double
yeah,
A?
I can't pronounce it.
Yeah.
You guys are not allowed to help each
Is
other.
it
Okay.
first time?
Nah, but this is not fair
Is
because
it first time
first time.
or first
I
time?
feel like it's one A.
Don't say it.
First time.
First time or first time?
Simon, you're supposed to know this Afrikaans.
Oh, you Afrikaans, Aya. I don't even care at this point. I'm an English boy, chief. I don't care. I post my Afrikaans. at
Boy,
school.
man, now.
Dude, pause this on records.
Stay together. That's
V-E-R-S-T-I-N.
Laat ik hem maar.
Look, you give water once me.
Oh, what is that?
How is that?
I don't know what.
In the
Sterren
spelling
zelfs
test, no? Then I didn't help for using the English.
I
We
didn't help.
didn't help you.
No, you should not. You should literally give me the wrong stuff. Then I still.
Oh, I didn't give the wrong stuff.
Yes. I literally have to write in the answer and then like.
First time.
With your big so.
What's the
Oh, you get you are ya?
Bro, hij zal weer een tijd. Hij zal weer een tijd. En dat is de second time. We brengen de same video.
It's not me, guys. I promise. You can only see my head. Okay, me check that.
Baby, it's you.
Nah, but it's like too lame, man. Yo, come, number
Yo,
four.
how did this thing go from here? From there to here?
kleine woorden?
Kleinungswoorden.
Bro, what do you use?
Wat is het?
What do you use?
Verkleinings of verkleinings? Of verkleinwoorden?
Verkleinwoorden.
Dat is die antwoord.
Baby, jullie.
Dat is dat is die antwoord.
Ja.
Ik ben ook dingen doen.
I'm done.
Verkleinwoorden.
Is het een klein woord of woord? Is het woord of woord?
Als het woord.
En dan heb ik nog een A.
Als het woord. Kom. Get together. That's we get her like
No,
that.
it's the first time we were away from the cashier.
B-E-R.
Chop rice, chop rice, chop rice.
E-I-N-W-O-R-D-E.
You need W. It's not W. Beer. Come
Clear.
number 14.
Clear.
Younger. Oh, that's all.
Is it clear or clear? Huh?
Clear. Color.
I love it when you love.
That song is stuck in my mind. Scared to get it. That shit.
Oh.
K-L-E-U-R.
Color, spell color also.
You write it wrong. You put the U before the E.
I tried to the wrong.
Try na A.
What word will still give?
One more.
Yeah! That one wait. That one go.
It's like na A, bro.
What's the
I thought you take off the toppy now.
I want.
It's crazy way to end the video though.
I'll tell you the last word still.
That's right.
It's the hardest one you can think of. The hardest one.
Broski.
Broski.
Broski. Wie say hey?
My God.
So bro, I can taste it.
Right.
Lakam yellow.
Lakam yellow.
Yeah, body parts. I don't know what I'm
That's money likes it.
I don't know what I'm
Lakam yellow. Lakam yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow.
How many G's is there?
2.
Love it.
This is one word.
Lakam's what?
This is one word.
One word.
Yes. I think so. Why is it
I don't want to. That's what shit. When 2 G's.
That's cheating. Nah, you can't change it.
How you need us?
I never changed it.
You need us.
Yeah, but you can't change it.
What did you do there?
Where did I ever change it? Where?
There.
Lakam.
No. Jay, that's literally the same thing. Look here, that's a ALFIB. Same thing. When she did say the stuff and so this was already so. Nah, guys.
She didn't say the word. She didn't say the word.
For you,
She's angry. You just want to win.
it's wrong.
You look at me.
Nah,
You just
don't
wanna-
let these cheat.
But
You
just
guys be always like looking for help.
Nah, because I like my
because
Gina.
you know that's not right there.
I always like
Nah,
you.
because you know
But
that
it's right
shit,
there.
yeah.
You just want to win.
Nah,
That's
because
why.
you know that
You just
shit.
want to win.
Nah, because
They
you know
just
that
wanna
shit.
win.
this time. Take the load.
Yeah, you look stupid, you retard. Reality.
L-I-G-G-I-M-S-D-E-L-E.
Did you now say I-E-G-G?
Chance, guy.
I was laughing.
Chance.
What?
To Isaiah.
What the hell are you? This is racism.
Video is wrong.
I want Jesse's
Now you spell it again.
Yeah.
L-I-G-G.
L-I.
L-I-I-I.
You know last word because me and him can't tie.
That video.
I can everything right.
That's cheating.
Where is it wrong? Where is it wrong?
It's cheating.
So we
L-I-G-G.
Come, give it another line.
Last one.
M-S-D. De.
Last one.
Ik het alles weg.
16.
Oh ja, even one wrong.
Come.
Number 16, come.
Jij.
I'm looking.
I'm looking.
Gedag.
Goed. Oh my word, here.
Even odd. We want the odd one.
That sounded bad, yeah. We want the odd one. Nah, I don't want the odd one. You want the odd one?
Stil is die also. Indro's console
You want that
pointless.
spell toch, ja, that's crazy. Come.
White man, I'm looking. I don't know how to pronounce his name. And
You 20-minute video.
No.
Kom maar klaar.
Kom sobat.
Mas we right, bro.
Adidas.
To Terry.
Come right? Nah, no.
Kalko.
But I said because all the hard work
Scam
that you
uncle.
Cliento Ligo.
Anna. Antwoord.
Wat Cliento?
Guys, we're deciding on the final. What I'm
Man,
right now.
I'm gonna write
You
it.
guys different in
I'm
that.
Man,
gonna write Piga, ja.
Maar staan girlie.
Come, Jay
Hoe
French.
hoe afgedacht toch?
Ja,
Bro,
bro.
that's it.
Mine
Doe het
idea.
already.
It's mine
Wait, we're
idea.
gonna get it right, man?
Give us something hard, man. I don't want to
I'm gonna
write
look
something
somewhere
easy.
else now.
Dit is man, hij wolf gedochter. Take this thing away from me.
Hope you guys enjoy it. We didn't do an outro, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, share, turn on post notifications. And yeah.